This is a tutorial for how to use your one unique meeting URL for every meeting you are conducting for a class. So I'll be explaining you over the process. So just open your calendar, Google Calendar. You can simply go to calendar.google.com. Your calendar page will open up. Now over there is a create icon. Just click on that and add title. I just title it class. Now here's a button, add Google Meet video conferencing. Just click on that and your meeting URL will be created. Now just copy it for reference. We'll be using it just to check. So now we have copy and pasted in. So here we can assign date, time slot, add guest. If you have email address of your students or whomsoever you want to join, ask them to join in meeting, you can add them. And if you're a teacher, you are having a Google Classroom and every student is there, you want to remind them or you want to notify them when the meeting is, you can here just select your classroom over here. Okay, you can add description, location, but it's not necessary. So here is a more option. Let's just click on that first. Okay, it's just an advanced person, nothing else. Here you can specify even that if you want to receive a notification or an email. If you have a mobile, I would prefer you to have a notification. So it's your choice. So if you want it to be 30 minutes before, 15 minutes, 10 minutes before, you can set it. Also, if you are assigning it to your classroom, the notification there will be a notification for them also. So I will just save the meeting. Now here is a task created in a calendar. So in that meantime, our calendar will show us as busy and no other task will be assigned to us or the user. So now just check whether it's okay or not. I will just join Google Meet, click on that. Okay, now our meeting is ready with the same code. No need to join it. Okay, just to show you. Now here come the twist, how to reschedule this meeting using the same meeting URL to the class for the next day. Just click on it, edit the meeting. No need to change everything. Just click on the date and just change the date on which you want to reschedule it. If you want to change the time slot also, then you can also do that. Just save the meeting. Okay, now just go to another day, or the 10th of July. Okay, now we have meeting from 4 to 5. You can see here. Let's forget this. We have meeting from 4 to 5. Now just we need to verify if the meeting URL was same or not. I'll just copy it, go through our Now we can see both of the meeting URL are same. So this is the trick, how we can assign the same URL for every meeting. So no need to send it again and again for the students. This just create imbalance and confusion also sometimes. So thank you for watching. That's it.